Today we will learn how to install plugins on your PlayStation Vita. You will need a hacked Vita, either Enzo or h-encore will work, FTP access to your Vita, and internet access to download plugins. The first thing you'll need to do is download plugins. For this tutorial, I'll be using some of the plugins provided by The Flow on his official GitHub. Click the link for each plugin and download the SuperX files. Once you have your plugins, connect to your Vita via FTP. For help with this, check out the Wilson Minute link now. Navigate to UR0, TIE, and copy the plugins from your download folder to this folder. Take note of what section in the config.txt to add the plugin to. Open config.txt and add the plugin to the proper sections. In this case, they all belong under main. Make sure that if you install them in UR0 as I instructed, the path says UR0 and not UX0. If you install them in UX0, add UX0 to this file. Save the file and reboot your Vita. If everything is successful, your Vita will reboot with the plugins installed. If something goes wrong and your Vita will not boot, it is not the end of the world. Simply turn your Vita all the way off and then boot it again, this time holding down the L trigger. This will skip all of your installed plugins and the Vita should boot normally without them. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wilson Minute. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if applicable, watch the next and previous videos in this series. If you would like to help support this channel, I have listed ways to do so in the video's description. Now get out there and apply your newfound knowledge.